Yes, it is possible to locate panels on the opposite side of a door swing in California, according to the California Energy Commission (CEC. This is permitted if certain conditions are met. Firstly, the panels must be installed on a roof facing south, southwest, or west. Secondly, the panels should be installed at a tilt angle of at least 10 degrees. Thirdly, the panels must not shade any windows or doors. Fourthly, the panels must be installed by a licensed contractor. If considering this type of panel placement, it is crucial to verify local building department regulations to ensure it is allowed in your specific location. Obtaining a permit from the building department may also be necessary before beginning the installation. The California Energy Commission (CEC) sets forth these guidelines to ensure safety and efficiency in electrical installations. These rules address specific concerns related to solar panel placement and their impact on building access and energy performance. South, southwest, and west-facing roofs are optimal for solar energy capture, maximizing the panel's exposure to sunlight throughout the day. A tilt angle of at least 10 degrees helps to improve the panel's efficiency by optimizing the angle at which sunlight strikes the surface. Shading from panels on windows or doors can reduce natural light and potentially create hazards. Engaging a licensed contractor ensures that the installation meets all applicable codes and safety standards. Local building departments have the authority to enforce these regulations and may have additional requirements specific to the area. Obtaining a permit ensures that the installation has been reviewed and approved by the local authorities, reducing the risk of violations or safety issues. Always consult with the local building department and a qualified electrical contractor before proceeding with any electrical installation project. Understanding and adhering to these regulations is essential for a safe and compliant installation. Failing to do so can lead to costly rework, fines, or even safety hazards. The California Energy Commission's focus on solar panel placement reflects the state's commitment to renewable energy and energy efficiency. These regulations are designed to promote the responsible and sustainable use of solar power. It is important to stay informed about the latest updates to these regulations, as they may change over time. Checking with the local building department regularly is the best way to ensure compliance. Consider this example: if a roof faces directly north, placing the panels there would not meet the CEC requirements for panel placement opposite a door swing. Similarly, if the panels are installed flat in the roof with no tilt angle, they would not meet the 10-degree tilt requirement. If the panels cast shadows on any windows or doors, this would also violate the CEC guidelines. Only a licensed contractor should perform the electrical installation work. DIY installations can be dangerous and may not meet the required safety standards. Obtaining the necessary permits is a crucial step in ensuring a safe and compliant installation. Do not skip this step, even if you think the project is small or straightforward. Always prioritize safety and compliance when working with electrical systems. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation process, consult with a qualified electrician. Proper panel placement not only ensures compliance with regulations but also maximizes the energy production of the solar panels. This can lead to significant cost savings over the lifespan of the system. By following the CEC guidelines, you can ensure that your solar panel installation is safe, efficient, and compliant with all applicable regulations. These regulations help to promote the responsible and sustainable use of solar energy in California. Remember to always consult with qualified professionals and follow all applicable codes and safety standards when working with electrical systems. In summary, while placing panels opposite a door swing is possible in California, it is subject to specific conditions outlined by the CEC and enforced by local building departments. Adherence to these regulations is paramount for safety, compliance, and optimal performance of the solar panel system. Furthermore, ensure that all components used in the installation are approved and certified for their intended use. This includes the panels themselves, as well as the wiring, inverters, and other related equipment. Proper grounding is essential for the safe operation of any electrical system, including solar panel installations. Make sure the system is properly grounded according to the applicable codes. Regular maintenance is also important to ensure the long-term performance and safety of the solar panel system. This includes inspecting the panels for damage, cleaning them as needed, and checking the wiring and connections. A well-maintained solar panel system can provide clean, renewable energy for many years to come. Therefore, it is crucial to follow all applicable regulations and guidelines throughout the installation and operation of the system. This will help to ensure a safe, efficient, and compliant solar panel installation.